It is March 10th, 2021, a rainy afternoon and a symbolic day in Jamaica's history as the first AstraZeneca vaccine donated by the government of India was administered today. It's also the 1-year anniversary, exact to the date, when the first COVID case arrived in Jamaica, or better said, was identified in Jamaica. There's a phobia among Jamaicans for the needle, for whatever reason, for life-saving events, for casual encounters. Jamaicans do not, as a rule, like injections. And the idea of vaccines and being vaccinated has gone through the gauntlet of all the possible superstitious, circumstantial statements and reviews in the court of public trial. And there are those among us who stand firm in our decision as to whether or not we will take this potentially life-saving vaccine. Now, what say you on this? Leave your comments in the comment section below. We'd like to hear from you. This is how we see it today on the Daily News.
It is a historic day, and it represents a major shift in the approach now that vaccines are available, and we believe could signal the beginning of the end.
Former Prime Minister Bruce Golding managing to crack a joke.
The only criticism I have, Minister, is that unlike when you go and give blood, they didn't offer me any red stripe.
But then, on a serious note,
all Jamaicans, as soon as the opportunity is available, take the vaccine. Don't pay any attention to the propaganda, the conspiracy nonsense that Bill Gates trying to kill our black people and all this rubbish.
another former Prime Minister, P.J. Patterson.
There is no reason whatsoever why people should not accept the vaccine when it is available.
The move to have influential people like the former Prime Ministers is deliberate. There are 70 other vaccination sites island-wide with over 3,000 persons scheduled to get their first doses of the vaccine today. The second dose will be administered in 8 to 12 weeks.